contestant number 6 and number 7. So step forward. Step forward ka mo. Okay. Step forward pa.
Ang duwa lang.
Okay, so we have
ang duwa lang.
remaining 2 contestants. Sino ayahan? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so, ang lawagon ko una, para klepa mate anay. Ang lawagon ko una, ang Miss Nutrition Month 2025. Ang lawagon ko. Ang hindi ko malawag, amo ang first runner-up. Okay? Our Miss Nutrition Month is garnered 85.8%. Ladies and gentlemen, kaptanay ko mo kuno Abidon Miss Universe. Okay, so our Miss Nutrition Month was awarded by Ma'am Ami Bayona and the advisor, and also ang koronahan pa ang crown din, may crown ng sister. Sige, so our queen was crowned by the PTA president. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nutrition Month 2025. Okay. Dito sa hindi ko rin nabatian, our Miss Nutrition Month 2025 is candidate number. Hindi malalagan po sa lahat, hindi malalagan. Our Miss Nutrition Month 2025 is number 7. Okay, congratulations, number 7. And our first runner-up is Alexa Grace Anampas of grade 4. Garnered 84.5%.
Sakto ni Tama. Tama ang kwa kay healthy ang nawas siya.